This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying that your messenger supports a dedicated passcode or biometric lock. This determines which method you set up. Once done, update the app and grant required permissions so lock features work reliably. Next, choose a secure PIN length or enable biometrics. Do this now because it affects fallback options. Make sure you register a recovery email or secondary verification. Otherwise, you risk losing access if you forget credentials. This initial setup prevents common lock problems later. You now enable the lock inside the messenger's privacy or security settings, so the protection applies only to app content. First, pick the lock type, PIN, full password, fingerprint, or Face ID, and enter credentials. Choose a PIN of at least 6 digits if available. Then configure auto-lock timing and require authentication after backgrounding. This balances convenience and security. Also enable a secondary recovery method in case biometric sensors fail. Doing this ensures the app locks. You finish by testing the lock immediately. Background the messenger, reopen it, and confirm authentication triggers. Once satisfied, record recovery codes or the chosen fallback and store them offline so you can regain access if needed. Make sure notifications don't reveal message previews while locked by disabling previews in system settings. If things go wrong and you are locked out, first use the recovery email or codes. If that fails, reinstalling the app and restoring from a secure backup is the last resort, only after confirming account recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.